again with another video.
So, as y'all can tell by the title, we are going to be doing my hair today. Sun is out, but I don't know what the hell it's doing because it's not giving as much light. But we just going to have to work with it, okay, today. How y'all doing today? I'm doing okay. Before we get in this video, make sure y'all push that like button and subscribe. Y'all, I'm going to show y'all the hair that I'm going to be using today. This hair is called Outre. This is a
T1B burgundy.
It's a 100% human hair.
It does match my hair. Trying to do me like a different hairstyle because out of the wigs, like they already ripping the fuck out of my sideburns, you know.
That's what I call them, sideburns.
I don't want to be bald. Like that shit give you like a 4 or 5 head, and that's not cute at all. So y'all, we're gonna get right on into this video because I got somewhere to be. All the products will be listed down below. Y'all probably already use these products anyway, so get right on into the video. So cute. Look at it. I like it. I'm gonna come back with the finished results and then I'm gonna show y'all what it's really looking like. So y'all, this is the finished results. I got like a little ballerina bun up here and I got my little swoop thing. I didn't want to go with a top knot bun because I feel like everybody's doing this. I just want to do something different. So yeah, this is the end results, y'all. Make sure y'all give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe, okay? Period. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.